Hey guys, BlockBusterTech Here, and today I'm going to be sharing my full review of the Honor Band 4. And I'm pretty confident that I have everything to say about this device right here. So without further ado, let's get into it. Now I've divided this review into the good and the bad, so let's take a look at all of that stuff. Well, in every product, something's got to be truly outstanding, and in this one, it's the display itself. It's a 0.95-inch Super AMOLED display with a resolution of 68 pixels by 126. I know that might sound a little less, but considering it's this small, we are not going to notice it at all. The blacks are truly blacks and they look amazing. Okay, so what about the features? The heart rate tracking, the sleep tracking, well, they're pretty average. The sleep tracking was better than I expected. It tells you exactly when you went to sleep and exactly when you rose. It also tells you the amount of deep sleep, the REM sleep, and of course the light sleep. The amount of data that you get from this is truly outstanding. Now, one of the main factors of buying a fitness band is that it has to be comfortable on the wrist. Now, unfortunately, that's something I cannot say about the Honor Band 4 at all. Now, your mileage may vary, but for me, I just can't say this is comfortable to wear. There's constant irritation on the skin, and I never really had this problem on any other fitness band I owned before this. The Mi Band HRX that I had never had this, or even the Mi Band 3 that I had before this used to be really comfortable, and I could be wearing it for the whole week even without taking it off once. But this, it's impossible to sleep with this thing, and that's for two reasons. One, the comfort, as I talked about, it is constantly causing problems, and I'm not even wearing it that tight. I'm wearing it in a loose position where there's actual gap between the skin and the band itself, but it still makes a lot of irritation between that. Now, another thing that really bugs me about this watch is that the geometric sensor is way too sensitive. So the wrist to wake feature is something I really hate on this one. It's not that it's not waking up when I want it to, it's just way too sensitive. Sometimes while eating food, you lift up your hand to something and it turns on every single time, draining that battery to the fullest. And when you're trying to go to bed, even the slightest moment causes the watch to wake up and irritates everyone in the room. I've got constant complaints from everyone saying that your watch turns on all the time, please take it off. So these two things really did not allow me to test the sleep tracking to the fullest because it was just annoying to wear this thing at night. The sleep tracking is pretty good. And if you are buying this band, be sure to go check out my unboxing video right here, and you may know a little bit more about the app. I mean, few features are missing from the Mi Fit app, like scheduled timers and etc. Now overall, I did really enjoy this watch, but I think it is not the best one out there. If you're looking for just pure awesome features and cool looking stuff, yes, this is great. But if you're looking for pure functionality, I think the Mi Band 3 has an edge over this. Anyways guys, that was my very quick review on this Honor Band 4. Hopefully this helps you decide on if you're getting this band or you're gonna stick with the Mi Band 3, or if you're gonna upgrade to something else like the Fast Track Reflex series or all that good stuff. Let me know in the comments down below. This is your Apushi Pierre, and I will see you on the next one.